Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm back again with another video. Make sure you guys go and check out my previous videos before I get started this video. Yeah, check out my previous videos if you haven't. They're always linked in the cards up above and all that good stuff. Also check my second channel and my third channel, y'all. Anyway, today's video is gonna be like a hair video, so I'm going to be using, finally, because it's been like what, a couple of weeks since I've got this now, but the Wavy Talk Curling iron. I'm gonna be using the beachwaver. So I'm basically gonna be showing you guys two different curls. Yeah, two different curls on these. This one gives a more thinner curl, more smaller, and the beachwaver gives more like a beachy wave look. And this hair, if y'all didn't know already, if y'all didn't see the video on this hair before, I will link it right here in the cards. Go check it out. This wig is from Wig Fever, and it's a glueless wig. It's very natural. I just didn't fix it right now, but for the sake of the video, you know, it's fine. But yeah, this is a glueless wig. The link to this wig is in the description box of the review video of this. So yeah, so I'm just gonna turn this on, let it heat up. I have my gloves. Yeah, I never used curling irons before, so this is a first for me, honestly. So it's at 360 right now. So I got this from the TikTok shop, y'all. This was like $29 in TikTok shop. So yeah, I'm also gonna be spraying the hair with the heat protectant spray, just in case. I mean, I know a lot of people don't really put heat protectant spray on the wigs, but just in case, you know. So it's getting it warmer. It's getting warmer. Yeah, it gets hot really fast. But in the meantime, see, another thing about this, it doesn't even have the thing. So, okay, well, that kind of works. So, what the thing I'm talking about is like the little claps thing that some of them have. So, I guess on this side, I'm going to do the Wavy Talk, and on this, I'm going to do the beachwaver. So, let's spray this hair. Literally almost sprayed that in my eye. And then the next video, I'm gonna be trying the straight iron and a hot comb, because this hair is not a hair that I do want to keep curly. I have curly waves for that. Yeah. So this is just gonna be straight, but for this video, this is the one I can only use. I have like a V-cut wig, but it's not gonna really work because that one I would need a weak mannequin head, but my mannequin head is like kind of delayed, so not delayed, it's just gonna take a while to show up. So yeah, bear with me. I'm like new to this. Like I said, I've never done this before. Oh, you see, look at that, never done it before. But as you can see, it curls very fast. It curls very fast. But let's do that again. I think maybe I should start from here. Yeah, that curls, girl. That curls extremely fast. But yeah, that's just one curl. I don't really like how that curl's looking though. Oh my god, I keep fucking this up, y'all. Keep fucking this up. But you see, it's doing the job. It's curling it very good. not trying to put it too close to my forehead, but you know, yeah, I can't really, yeah, I don't really know how to per se get the top going, but I don't know, people think that made it look so easy to do, but I guess if you really know how to do this type of stuff, of course it will be easy for you to do. Let's try it again. Keep pressing. Yeah. It's like so hot today. It's 80 degrees, and I have to turn off the fan so I wouldn't hear that. See, that side button is throwing me the fuck off because I feel like it's just messing me up. Yeah. Ciao. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I do not know what I'm doing. Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna try the beachwaver. Cause the beachwaver literally curls it for you, so this one would definitely have to be one I take. Oh, I have to practice it, I mean. So, yeah. Yeah, this is as far as I'm going with this side, so yeah. Let me just turn this one off. Alright, this one turns off automatically, so I'm gonna let it turn off, and then we're gonna try to beachwaver. Alright, I did try doing another curl, as you can see. Didn't really work. But yeah, I'm not blaming the product. I'm blaming myself because I have not used these before. I do need practice. So yeah. So I'm just now turning on the beachwavers. That's this. This is a little bit more bigger. I'm gonna get bigger curls with this. I don't know how this one works exactly. So it's on the third leg. I lost the freaking direction for this one, but it's gonna be pretty good. All right, it's hot, y'all. I can literally smell it. So oh, that's how it breaks. Okay, let me do this though. Clip. You just basically. Yeah, I am struggling so bad. I'm gonna put it lower. Damn it, I don't know how to. Okay. And then you just hold that, and I think you just. Oh. I like that. I was scared, yeah. That threw me off, but okay, I think with this one you do have to probably leave it on the hair for a little bit longer, so let's do that again. How did I do this? So let's just see. Let's just see, you know. And this is their newer one, the B125, I think it's called. So yeah, I'm like nervous, y'all. I'll leave it for like a couple of minutes. Okay. I think it got stuck. Okay, I don't know what am I doing wrong with this one. The hair is like very hot right now though, but I don't know what the hell am I doing wrong with this one. Oh Lord. Okay, so I did retry to attempt it again. This is the most I can really do. I mean, it is what it is. You know, I clearly need more practice because I never used these before, but it does give big curls, like as you can see, like big beach wavy curls. So just gotta work with it a little bit more. But other than that, I don't think it's too bad. This one I really need to work on though, if I want to do smaller curls. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, if y'all ever used this product before. But yeah, in the next video, me trying out the straight iron and the hot comb on this, because I'm gonna make this straight again because I don't want it to be curly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video, thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and check out my other videos and my other channels, and my social medias are in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.